I'm going to try and make a spoon today. I was trying not to make a big mess. But I guess I have to. I should have started with that. If you want to see how to make these two flat edges on the jointer, leave a link in the comment. Leave a link? Leave a comment in the comment section below. Holy moly. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I certainly didn't expect this to come out like this. I was expecting to make a spoon out of this, but I can't because this is heartwood and would be very brittle. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.